Meanwhile, it is a big week ahead for the Supreme Court with two major cases this week dealing with the Affordable Care Act and LGBTQ books in classrooms. ABC's Alex Perche joins us now with the details on this. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Gio, and you're absolutely right. We got a pair of potentially groundbreaking cases here. First, a big decision on Affordable Care Act recipients and their ability to get no-cost preventative care. These are things like statins to lower cholesterol, PrEP medicine to reduce HIV spread, or even medications to lower the risk of breast cancer in women. All of those treatments are on the line. What insurers must cover at no cost is determined by a government task force, and the Supreme Court will essentially decide if that task force is unconstitutional. A group of religious employers have argued that it has too much power as its recommendations can't be reviewed or overridden. More than 150 million Americans rely on no-cost early screenings and chronic condition preventative care. Now, this second case will answer a key question for schools. Do parents of public school children have a constitutional right to opt their kids out of classroom discussions of books with LGBTQ themes? A group of Montgomery County, Maryland parents believe the First Amendment provisions for religion gives them the choice to pull their kids from any instruction on gender or sexuality that they deem counter to their faith. Conservatives see this as a follow-through by the Trump administration, who vowed to give more control back to local school boards. The defendants in this case, members of an elected school board, say education is meant to expose children to a broad mix of people and ideas. Supreme Court could have the final say, and keep in mind that Tuesday is an opinion day. Janae?
All right, we'll be watching that. Alex Perche in Washington, thank you.